Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best headlight restoration kit you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best headlight restoration kit in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. The Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit is an all-in-one solution designed to restore cloudy, yellowed, or oxidized headlights to their original clarity. Featuring a ceramic coating for added protection, this kit promises to not only restore the brightness and appearance of headlights but also protect them from future damage. It's a great option for vehicle owners looking to improve both the aesthetics and functionality of their headlights without costly replacements. The standout feature of the Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit is the inclusion of a high-performance ceramic coating. This adds an extra layer of protection to your headlights, making them more resistant to UV rays, dirt, and road debris, which helps maintain their clarity for longer periods. The Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit is a highly effective solution for restoring cloudy, yellowed, or oxidized headlights. It provides a clear, bright result while adding a protective layer to ensure longer-lasting performance. With easy-to-follow instructions, it's suitable for DIY enthusiasts looking for a cost-effective way to improve the appearance and functionality of their headlights. The added ceramic coating is a standout feature, offering long-term protection and value for money. Our second best headlight restoration kit is Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. The Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit is a popular and highly regarded solution for restoring cloudy, yellowed, or oxidized headlights. Designed to be user-friendly, this kit aims to improve both the appearance and functionality of headlights, providing clearer, brighter illumination for safer driving, particularly at night or in adverse weather conditions. It's an ideal option for those seeking a simple, cost-effective way to restore headlight clarity without needing to replace the entire headlight assembly. 3 Easy steps to restore long-lasting UV protection to your headlights. Step 1. Surface Activator. Proprietary activator softens plastic, making it easier to sand smooth. Step 2. Sand and polish. Step 3. Finish and seal with UV Block Clear Coat Applicator. The kit includes a protective coating that helps to preserve the restored headlights, offering some protection from UV rays and preventing the headlights from yellowing or becoming cloudy again in the future. The Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit provides a professional-grade solution at a fraction of the cost of headlight replacement, making it a great value for money. The components of this kit are good for 2 headlight assemblies. Once installed properly, the performance of the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit is guaranteed by a lifetime warranty for as long as you own your car. Third pick in our list is 3M Headlight Restoration System. The 3M Headlight Restoration System is a highly acclaimed DIY solution for restoring foggy, yellowed, or oxidized headlights to their original clarity. Designed by 3M, a brand known for its innovation and quality in the automotive sector, this kit promises a professional-grade restoration with the convenience of at-home use. Ideal for anyone looking to improve the appearance and safety of their headlights, this system offers a cost-effective alternative to expensive replacements. After restoration, the kit also includes a protective coating to preserve the clarity of the headlights and help prevent future oxidation or yellowing. This coating ensures long-lasting results and added protection against UV damage and environmental elements. The 3M Headlight Restoration System is a top-tier, affordable solution for restoring cloudy, yellowed, or oxidized headlights. Its step-by-step process ensures that even DIYers with no prior experience can achieve professional quality results. The added protective coating provides long-term protection, making it an excellent investment for maintaining the clarity of your headlights. Although the process can be time-consuming and requires effort, the results are worth it for improved visibility, safety, and a refreshed appearance. Number 4 in our side is the Turtle Wax Headlight Restorer Kit is a popular DIY solution for restoring cloudy, yellowed, or oxidized headlights. Turtle Wax, known for its range of car care products, offers this kit to help vehicle owners restore their headlights' clarity and brightness, improving both the appearance of the vehicle and the safety of night driving. It promises to be an easy-to-use, cost-effective alternative to costly headlight replacement. The Turtle Wax Kit is designed with simplicity in mind. The process is straightforward, with easy-to-follow instructions that even beginners can follow. The kit's user-friendly approach makes headlight restoration accessible to a wide audience. One of the standout features of the Turtle Wax Headlight Restorer Kit is the inclusion of a UV sealant. This protective coating prevents future yellowing or cloudiness and protects the headlights from harmful UV rays, ensuring longer-lasting results. The Turtle Wax Headlight Restorer Kit performs admirably in restoring headlights to their original clarity. It effectively removes yellowing and oxidation, leaving headlights visibly clearer and brighter. The included UV sealant adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that the headlights stay clear for a longer period of time. It delivers solid results in improving headlight clarity and brightness, significantly enhancing nighttime driving visibility. The UV sealant ensures that the headlights remain clear for an extended period, making this kit a great value. While the process requires some time and effort, the results are well worth it for improving both the safety and aesthetics of your vehicle. Last in our best headlight restoration kit list is Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit. The Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit is a well-known solution designed to restore clarity and brightness to hazy, yellowed, or oxidized headlights. Known for its premium automotive care products, Meguiar's offers this easy-to-use, comprehensive kit to help vehicle owners improve their headlights' appearance and functionality. With the promise of delivering professional-level results at home, this kit is a great choice for those looking to maintain optimal headlight performance without the need for costly replacements. Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit is designed to work on a variety of headlight materials, including polycarbonate lenses, making it a versatile option for most vehicles. The kit includes a specialized UV coating that helps protect the headlights from future yellowing or clouding. This protective layer shields the headlights from harmful UV rays, keeping them clear and functional for an extended period. The Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit is an effective, affordable solution for restoring cloudy, yellowed, or oxidized headlights. The complete system and easy-to-follow instructions make it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and car owners looking to improve their vehicle's headlights. The added UV protective coating ensures long-lasting results and helps prevent future damage. While the process can be time-consuming and requires some effort, the results are well worth it for improved visibility, safety, and aesthetics.